Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am literally en route home. But I'm just so excited. Like, I'm buzzing for excitement and I can't actually wait to get home to start. I'm stuck in some traffic, so I'm like, hey, why not? Why not let me just start processing to share with you guys an update. As you guys can see in the title, I am back to discuss with you guys the update on my bag situation. So as you guys can see in my previous video, I spoke about my Chanel tote. I was really contemplating whether I would have keep it or not. However, I decided to return it. Now, I totally did not contact my SA because obviously the last I spoke to him, he said to me that he will let me know if there's anything that comes in. So long story short, I then proceeded to just make a decision to actually get rid of it, return it, because I was like, you know what, this bag is beige, it's beautiful, don't get me wrong, it is gorgeous, honey. It was giving what it's supposed to be giving, but unfortunately I felt as though that I'm gonna baby this bag. My goddaughter, she sat next to the bag and I had a whole tantrum. So for me, it's like, would I really want to have a bag that I'd have to baby that much? No, I want to have a Chanel tote that I could fling around. Some of you might be like, well, why didn't you get a black? Fair enough. But I just wanted to have a color that I'm not so skeptical about throwing around. I mean, the color I got now, it can get dirty. However, it's, you know, not as bad as it would look versus the beige. So yeah, I am literally waiting to get in to sit down with you guys to continue this. And yeah, because for me it's like, I don't know, I just can't wait to get in. Woo! Home sweet home. Is it a one? Right guys, so I am back home. Traffic was horrendous. Who knows London traffic knows it. Did try and beat home to get some sun, but apparently, as you can see, it didn't happen. So let's get right back into it. So as I was explaining earlier in the car, I was gutted that I had to take I was gutted that I had to take the bag back. As I said, the beige was a very nice color. However, I felt as though like it would have not worked in my favor. So I decided to just take it back. With no further ado, I would like to go down how the process happened. So let's take it back. So I told my best friend that I'm gonna take it back on the Monday because I was free. So I told my best friend to come and join me, you know, we could just make a day out of it type thing. And after that, I was meant to hang out with some friends for the bank holiday, meet up in the park. So we then proceeded to go to Chanel. As I said, I did not call or contact my SA whatsoever because as far as I'm concerned, I am just going to return this bag, honey. I was not even thinking of getting anything else. In my mind was already kind of made up to wait to see I was just waiting for whatever next collection comes out from this version of this bag. Let me just make it easier on myself. So, I could at least, you know, see what there is and hopefully there's something that I like. So, moving on for me, I then got to Chanel. I was assigned, so I then proceeded to go to the store. I got to Chanel. I was assigned with another sales associate to look after me. We started having a conversation. I looked to my left. I saw my usual SA. So I said, hey, how are you? He's like, hey, the bag that you were after is here. would you like to see it? And I'm like, which one? He's like, both of them. So I was like, oh wow. Because remember, he invited me in. I was after the pink one, but he invited me in to see the blue one, but the blue one was gone. So he brought out both of them. I'm standing here and I'm watching my friend like, is this really happening to me right now? This is actually happening to me right now. So I was like, you know what? I'm just lost for words. I'm shocked. I don't know what to do. So I told the essay that they assigned me to that I will wait for my regular essay. So my regular essay was like, okay, cool, I'll be with you shortly. I sat patiently. I wait. I went on social media. I just started to film. And I was a bit excited because
Guys, so literally, as you guys can see in the corner, what's actually happening
I felt
here.
really lucky in the sense of here it is that I've actually given up on this item, and then now it's actually here. It's in front of me. So I was like, okay, cool. You know what? I'm not worried about it. So my essay came over and I started to speak to him and I explained him why I'm here. And he's like, you know what? It's fine. I could exchange it for you. It's not a problem. He's like, make up your mind and pick one of the colors that you would like to have. And then, you know, I'll get it exchanged for you. And I needed to check some shoes upstairs. So he said he'll meet me upstairs. So I then proceeded to choose a color that I want, which I'm going to show you guys. For those of you that are following me on Instagram, might probably seen it already or know the color that I'm talking about. For those of you that haven't, well, as I said, I urge you guys to join me on Instagram for my day-to-day activities and what I'm getting up to. It's more updated as to me coming on here. So yeah, so I chose the color that I wanted, proceeded to do the exchange, and went upstairs looking for a particular sneakers that I was after. Didn't have it in my size. So my day was pretty much going fine, and it couldn't even get any better. And I proceeded to go to Louis Vuitton. Items that I was after was not available. And as I said earlier in my other video, for some reason I think I still have in the back of my head that, hey, it was locked down, so pieces might actually be available, which is definitely not the case. So after that Louis Vuitton, I was like, you know what, let me pop into Hermes and see what Hermes is saying. I got lucky. I was offered a Birkin then and there. Believe it or not, I was actually offered a Birkin. Unfortunately, it didn't work out due to some circumstances, which I will do a video on that. So please tune in for that. And I was like, how lucky can a princess be? How lucky can a princess be? So I was just saying to my friend, like, you're actually like my lucky charm today. Like, I usually would go by myself, and that one day I decided to take someone with me, and the person that I did take with me, things just coming my way, and I'm like, wow. So with no further ado, I'm gonna show you guys the one that I got and speak a little bit on the bag, because I did really realize some changes on the item. And yeah, so let me go ahead and show you guys. I got it reboxed and all of that. As I said, I didn't bother do a whole unboxing video or anything. I just did a cute little Instagram reel for content. And here she is. This is my new baby, my Chanel Deville in the shocking pink. She is gorgeous. She is a baby. I love her to bits. So now let's get into it. A lot of people might say this bag is quite bright. It's quite like in your face, and that's something that I like with bags. Like, as I said, like if I have a black version to it already, I would definitely go into getting colored pieces. I like colored pieces. Like, I just feel like it's never a dull moment to have a colored piece. This baby, it would have its story behind it. It's a special piece to me. It's technically my treat to myself for being on the show Secondhand for 50 Grand, which is a show that I participated in last month. So for me, it's definitely a baby and a treat to myself. I love this bag. This is definitely, I can't wait to rock her. I think she's definitely gonna go away with me on holiday. She's definitely an airport piece. She's gonna be getting a lot of compliments. I could smell it already. Shopping all around. Definitely, she is going to be my summer 2021 /summer 2022 bag to go to. Travel, I don't even know, but she's going to be my baby. What I can say is I am going to definitely tell you guys the price range. I'm not going to say the exact price, but I'm going to give you guys a rough idea. I hate speaking on prices because I don't want people to get the wrong idea or feel as though like, oh, okay, yeah, she's talking about money. Don't really like, it's not my forte. However, this for those of you that are usually used to Chanel DeVille totes, Chanel had a massive price increase. Unfortunately, the material ones would always have run you anywhere between 2,200. It has risen to 2,400 and now retailing at 2,900. So Chanel prices has gone skyrocketed. I mean, I personally could understand. I realized they have done add-ons. So like, you know, like the Louis Vuitton Neverfull, the add-on stuff. So with this particular one, because the beige one didn't have it, but I did see the interior of the beige one changed as well. So they have more pocket spaces in the bag. So I will insert a photo here for you guys to see. You can see all those pockets around there. That's now available, which was not available in older models. And also, funny enough, I realized that they added a pouch that could connect to this. So they added a little pouch, which I'm super duper excited. I mean, it would be nice to see a little CC on here, you know. It just looks like a pink pouch, but it would have definitely been, they added a little CC or whatever. But hey, can't get it all, can you? So I'm happy with this because this is definitely, as I always call it, my hotel breakfast bag. As I say, phone, hotel keys, down to breakfast, because I always make sure I get a hotel stay with breakfast at least, if not all inclusive. So with that being said, I'm really happy with the interior of this one. I don't know if they're going to continue to add this to the rest pieces, but that would definitely be amazing. I have my Samorga insert for this one already. I definitely will be using it if needs be, to try and keep the interior a bit clean, because it's a very nice light neon orange, as you guys saw earlier. So what is there not to like about this bag? I've had one already. I really do love this bag, so I'm really excited with it. I love it, and I just can't wait to rock her, period. So with that being said, I have no complaints whatsoever. So moving on, I will be definitely doing another video on how that whole day planned out. For those of you here for the first time, thank you so much for tuning in. Please comment, like, and subscribe. For those of you returning, thank you for the love and support, and keep them coming. And yeah, I definitely appreciate you guys coming here, and thank you so guys for tuning in. Until next time with another great video for you guys. Have a good day.
Gucci, Louis, Fendi, Prada. The basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even